tie up this section on the 1950s, I would just like to probe how aware were you, or maybe you were not aware, maybe you were meant to be aware through your father or through other influences of the Undeb Cymru Ffydd developments in the mid-50s?
No. The only awareness I had, very little of that, and I know from afterwards, from understanding these things, of the parliamentary campaign for the what was it called now, the Welsh
Parliament for Wales.
Parliament for Wales. S.O. Davies and Megan and Cledwyn Hughes and Gwynoro Roberts and Tudor Watkin. And, you know, I learned of that not too long afterwards, maybe 10 years afterwards when I got into politics. Cymru Fydd, no, there was no era thinking like that, which is very interesting. That's very Labour town village, see? You know what I mean? It was things like that, things that were too Welsh were regarded as nationalistic.
And
the Welsh people of that time and the Labour people of that time were very narrow-minded on the Welsh language, very narrow-minded. If you overemphasised it, you were regarded as being with Saunders Lewis and Gwynfor and those people, truly now.
And was your father political?
No, very little, but he was Labour. My grandfather, both grandfathers were Labour. You know, it was Labour.